Alright, so we got the tank out. Had to take the whole bike apart almost to do it. So here's the tank. And what I got here is a piece of a hanger. Sticking it in here. Don't want that. We don't want this hanger to touch the sides on the inside here. I'm going to put water and some salt in here, and then I'll show you how to hook up this battery. We're going to get all that rust out of there. Alright, we got some Epsom salt. All this salt's going to do is make the water to where it's conductive. Fill it up. This is going to end up getting all the rust on it. Mix up that salt water. Try to fill it up all the way. That should be good. Put this in the water. I'm gonna take this shirt. Gotta hold down that cup. Take a battery charger. All the rust is going to go to the positive. Camera plugged in. Volts. We're going to start at 2 amp. And we'll just let it sit like that for about 24 hours. Come back and look at it. See it blinking? That means we have voltage going through the water up to the pin. So give it some time. Alright, and for these smaller parts that are covered in rust, we are going to put vinegar on it. Rust doesn't like vinegar. Look at that, already broke off a piece. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. And we'll just let these things soak. We're going to let them soak. I'll come back and show you what they look like probably tomorrow. So here's the electrolysis contraption. Let's empty it. It's been 24 hours. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what comes out. Remember, we put fresh water in there. So looking like we got rust in the water. That's good. See all that rust coming out of there. I think we're gonna do it one more time, one more 24-hour period. I say keep going until this stuff stops being rusty. Look at that. Horrible. One more 24-hour period. Let's do it again. Alright, here we go. Emptying it after the third time of electrolysis. Alright, we got most of the rust out, but what's in here is some kind of tank sealer someone must have put in here, and there's a glob at the bottom. I'm going to put WD-40 in here and let it sit there and get into that tar and break it up. Then I'm going to wash it all out. But I think the tank's almost done. Alright, let's do it again. I think this is the fourth time. There's not much rust left. But there's still some of that tank sealer or whatever the hell they put in here. Good stuff. Whatever the hell it is. Alright, let's do it one more time. I don't know how many times this is, maybe 5, 6, but I wouldn't recommend putting the tank sealer in there. Alright, if you look right here, you can see we got this tank working. So we got both tubes cleaned out of that whatever kind of tank sealer they had in there. So let's pour this out, we'll clean it out, and then the tank will be ready to go back in. Take off the petcock and just let all this water drain out of these holes. Just let it drain. Last step, taking a bunch of little rocks from my backyard, putting them in the tank. I'm going to shake it, and anything stuck on the walls, it's going to break all that off. Then we'll just pour them out, and then we'll be done. Get all the sides. And that's pretty much as good as we're gonna be able to get it.